Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gather profile step by step. Whether you want to update your profile picture, change your display name, or edit your personal information, this complete Gather tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gather. Sign in to your account using your email address or your preferred sign-in method. Once you've logged in successfully, enter your Gather workspace. Now that I'm inside my workspace, I'll move to the bottom left corner of the screen, where my profile icon and name are displayed. Click on your profile to open the account menu. A menu will appear with several options. From here, click on Edit Profile. The profile editor will now open. This is where you can customize your Gather profile. At the top, you'll see the option to add profile picture. Click on it if you'd like to upload a new photo. Choose an image from your computer, and once it's uploaded, it will become your new profile picture, making it easier for your teammates to recognize you. Next, you can edit your display name. Simply click on your current name, type the new one you want to use, and continue to the next field. Depending on your Gather account, you may also see additional options such as a bio, job title, location, or other profile information. Fill in or update these details if you'd like other members of your workspace to know more about you. After you've finished making all your changes, review your profile to make sure everything looks correct. Then click the Save or Done button to apply the changes. Once the changes are saved, close the profile editor and return to your workspace. Now you can see that your updated profile information is visible, and your teammates will also see the new details whenever they interact with your profile. Keeping your profile updated helps your coworkers identify you more easily and creates a more professional and organized virtual workspace. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can change your Gather profile quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.